हेलो माय लवली किड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू चिल्ड्रन। हम कितनी सारे पैटर्न्स लर्न करते हैं, पता है ना आपको। और ये पैटर्न से हम क्या बनाते हैं? यस, फ्री ड्राइंग करते हैं। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं QRST। ये सारे लेटर्स के हम फ्री ड्राइंग सीखने वाले हैं। चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट फ्री ड्राइंग।
So kids, now let's do free drawing of letters Q, R, S, T on slate. So let's start. Which letter is this? Letter Q. Which picture we will draw here? Q for quarter. So first we will draw one sleeping line. Then from here one standing line. One more standing line from here and join with sleeping line. Now we will draw one standing line from middle. बीच में से हम एक standing line draw करेंगे ऐसे. Now we will draw sleeping line. यहाँ से हम एक sleeping line draw करेंगे. Now we'll take another color. I am taking pink color. Now with the help of this pink color, I am going to fill this one box. ये pink color से मैं ये first box को fill कर दूँगी. So this is Q for quarter. So kids, now we will draw R for ring. First we will draw one big circle. हम पहले एक बड़ा circle draw करेंगे like this. Now we will draw small circle. अब इसके ऊपर हम एक small circle draw करेंगे ऐसे. Now from here one standing line, यहाँ से एक sleeping line and from here also one sleeping line. R for ring. S for sun. Now we will draw S for sun. पहले हम एक big circle draw करेंगे like this. Now we will fill this circle. Now we'll take orange color. With the help of this orange color, पहले हम एक बड़ी standing line draw करेंगे. From here also we'll draw one standing line, sleeping line, big sleeping line. From here also one big sleeping line. Now here small standing line, small, small and small. S for sun. T for tree. Now we will draw T say tree. Okay. Now here one small sleeping line, big standing line, one more big standing line, join with sleeping line. Now we will fill this box. Okay. So now with the help of this green color, यहाँ से हम एक curve करेंगे like this. Big curve, small curve and one more big curve. T for tree. So let's revise one more time. Q for quarter, R for ring, S for sun and T for tree. So kids, you have to practice this at home.
Children, in your level 1, my first book of patterns, open page number 4040. On this page we have draw pictures by using the patterns that we have learned. So we are going to do free drawing of letters Q, R, S, T. For Q we had learned quarter. So take blue color or any other color, draw slipping line, standing line, another standing line, join with slipping line. In the middle draw one standing line and slipping line. Now change the color and fill one box. First give the border and then you have to fill the color. Q for quarter. Next is R for ring. First draw one big circle, small circle, standing line, slipping line, slipping line. R for ring. Next is S. S for sun. Draw one circle and fill the yellow color inside the circle. Then big standing line, slipping line, another slipping line, and then small slanting lines. क्या बन गया? Sun. S for sun. T for tree. First we will draw slipping line, standing line, another standing line, join with slipping line, and we will fill this with brown color like this. Then curve, curve and curve with green color. So क्या बन गया? T for tree. Children, you also have to practice this at your home with the help of your parents.